EVVA Master Key Systems. Our expertise, your benefits. Discover more about the 3 central questions surrounding master key systems. What is a master key system? What are the benefits of a master key system, and how can you benefit? A master key system is a combination of cylinders and keys. It specifies who has access to which facilities and organizes as well as facilitates organizational processes within companies. This example shows a locking chart for an organization. Users, facilities, and areas are brought into context with each other. This brings about transparency and more control for you. Furniture cylinders, cam locks, and switch cylinders can also be integrated into EVVA master key systems. It is also possible to combine mechanical and electronic systems in one facility. Clear hierarchies can be implemented. The manager can unlock all doors. Employees only have access to selected doors. Our EVVA systems with high calculation capacities implement these highly complex access hierarchies. A master key system illustrates the functional organizational chart of a company. Here is a sample master key system for an organization. Your great advantage: one key can unlock all cylinders depending on its authorizations. This makes management significantly easier for companies. The special characteristic of a master key system for residential complexes is that all residents can unlock all doors to which they have been granted access authorizations with a single key. This boosts residents' convenience and simplifies management. Individual access authorizations for service engineers can also be integrated. This example shows the master key system structure within the residential complex. All residents use one key to open the main entrance and shared facilities. However, users can merely access their own residential unit. For you, this means significantly less effort in terms of facility management, thanks to customized access solutions for your company. You benefit from EVVA Master Key System expertise and 5 mechanical systems that can all be combined with EVVA electronic systems. Our references speak for themselves. Contact us.